Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. It is race weekend. Woohoo! First race of the season is tomorrow. Super excited. I'm a little bit disappointed that I'm not getting to race my car tomorrow. Still waiting for the engine to get done. Found multiple issues with the cylinder head. Yeah, I needed new valves. Those didn't come in this week. So hopefully another week or so and that one will be up and running. But we'll be running Cindy's car tomorrow. That was the teal bluish Integra we built this winter with the GSR swap. So we'll be running that tomorrow. Gonna be excited. It's pretty late right now. I'm gonna get to bed. We'll see you guys in the morning. It'll be time to head to the races. Woo! We were able to tell that I had ran them. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys. What is up, y'all? Welcome back. It is race day. About 6:30 in the morning right now. Just waiting for Cindy to get here. Have to load up the truck quick, just throw a few things in. Wait for her to get here. We'll be on the road. On the road. Oh, beautiful singing, I know. I got Cindy back there. She can barely keep up with her Chevy horsepower. Yeah, we'll probably hit Quick Trip on the way, grab some food, some drinks. Probably throw a little bit of air in her tires too, just to make sure that we got enough. I do have an air compressor in here too, so it's not a big deal, but yeah, we'll hit the old KT's Steakhouse. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We have arrived at the racing facility, otherwise known as Ho Chunk Casino in Wisconsin Dells. Exciting, but kind of crummy day out today. Hopefully the weather turns around here. It's a little misty and wet. Cindy made it in the Integra, barely though. She was driving all over the place behind me, just, you know, dodging, I don't know, parked cars, stuff like that. Dead animals, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, gonna get everything unloaded out of the car and then run it through tech inspection and then just kind of hang around and wait, and fingers crossed the weather turns around here, because you don't want to be racing in the wet. So stay tuned. So we just got signed up. Cindy ran the car through tech, and we're just hanging out again. Still drizzly, still crummy, but yeah, I would think in the next hour or two, everybody will have gone through tech, and we can get going on the first runs. And still got to do driver's meeting yet. What I might do, walk over there and give Chris some shit. Looks like the driver's meeting is just about to start. We went and just did a little track walk too. Course looks pretty fun and fast. Excited to get out there. It's still a little sprinkly and shitty out, but it'll dry out, I think. About an hour later. So we're up right now. Cindy's gonna do her first run in the new car here. Excited. This weather's still kind of crappy. We're gonna go out and just try and learn the track and go from there. I would have kept it in first. You're at the downshift of first right here. Wide open, wide open, wide open. Keep it in first. Keep it in first. Nope.
Shit.
Don't use the clutch at all, Cindy. Don't even put your foot on it.
I don't know how to... Where am I going?
Right here. Alrighty, y'all. So Cindy ran her first run, and I'm gonna jump in and see what we can do. Alrighty, y'all. So we ran my first run. I think I ran a 53.7, I believe is what it said. Definitely slippery out there. Rear end was kind of skating all over, that sort of thing. Cindy's gonna go out and try and improve on this run. Yeah, definitely fun, but it's very slippery.
Okay, go get him.
Alrighty, y'all. So Cindy just got done with her second run. It was a lot better. Didn't miss any pieces of the track. Is having issues though with pushing the clutch in and riding it a little bit, so she got to work on that. But all in all, did a lot better. She ran a 63 on that one. So we're gonna go out on our second run here, see what we can throw down. Track's drying out a little bit, still pretty wet, but we'll do what we can. So I don't know if you guys saw, we had a Corvette spin out in front of us. We get a rerun on that one. Yeah, at least to get a little bit more run time, be able to figure out the car a little bit. So not a bad thing. But yeah, car's fun. Feels, I mean, fairly stout as far as power-wise goes. Could use a little bit more traction. It's definitely slick out there today. So we'll sit here in line still and go back up again. Alrighty, y'all. I forgot to hit the record button on that last one, but just went out and ran was it a 50? 50? I think it was a 50.8. 50 point something, basically. So definitely cutting the times down. The track's drying out a little bit. It's feeling good. Cindy's gonna go out and do your, what, third run? Her third and final run. So we'll have one more. Actually, I'll have two more. Since we had to rerun that one.
That happens.
So
Seat time.
yeah, get more seat time then. Hell yeah. Alrighty, y'all, we're going out for the final session of the morning, or final run of the morning session. The GoPro died, so it hasn't been recording at all. Cindy's gonna try and hold my phone and record, so we'll give her a go. Yeah, I totally messed up right here. didn't improve on that last morning session run. I kind of lost the rear end and did a power slide in one of the corners, so didn't improve on that one. So 49.9 is my best run of the day so far. Gonna get some food at the Euro stand here, and yeah, it'll be nice to hit some dry pavement this afternoon. So hell yeah. Just want to apologize for not having any good video because my GoPro died. Alrighty, y'all, we're back here for the afternoon session. I got Austin riding with me. He wants to shit his pants apparently. This high horsepower engine, you know. So yeah, we're gonna go out, put the hammer down, and see if we can do any better than we did this morning. Ran a 49.9 again. I don't know how much more I can improve on that. I think probably at its limit. Maybe I can get a couple more tenths out of it, but pushing her pretty hard. We got one more run left, I think, each. So, yep, gonna give her the berries again. Give her all we got.
Right here?
Yeah, but my time hasn't improved. It's the same. It's just not revving so much, which is kind of nice.
Yeah. It doesn't sound like the engine's gonna explode. That's good. Okay, go get it, please.
So I just ran my final run, guys. I actually cut off quite a bit on that one. Ran a 49.2 on that one. So I'm done for the day. Cindy's gonna run hers here. Yeah, hopefully she can improve also. It's been a fun day so far. So let's just keep hammering.
Okay, when you're ready.
So Cindy's got one more run. She did improve, ran a 55.6, so she dropped about almost a second on that one there. So doing good. Overdriving a little bit too much in certain spots and then not pushing hard enough in other spots. yeah, but definitely improving. Going probably way faster than she would be if she was in her Veloster. So that's good. But yeah, a lot of fun. So Cindy actually improved pretty well on her last run. Ended up going, I believe 45.6, I think it was. So pretty good. I finished out the day with a 49.2. We're walking over to do awards now, and we'll get out of this cold weather here hopefully soon.
272, Clayton Van Moose, and his Acura Integra.
Woo! Wow, everybody. That was an awesome day of racing with the Madison Sports Car Club. Had a great time. Managed to get some good points. Yeah, wow, I'm just really freaking cold. It is very cold out today, but I'm glad we were able to, push through the crummy weather this morning and have some decent racing this afternoon. So, just want to thank Madison Sports Car Club. I also like to give a shout out to Cindy. Thank you so much for letting me drive your car. Also, special thanks to Lee with Full Bore Enterprises. Best place for all your machining and engine building needs. Hands down, they're out of Dodgeville. Check them out. But if you guys could, like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and hopefully next week, might have an engine back for our car. Woohoo! Well, we'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah!